Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing one workable approach. Use your smartphone as a microphone, generate voice with TTS, or route pre-recorded audio through a virtual cable. Once chosen, install the companion app and the virtual audio driver on your PC. Make sure your phone and computer are on the same network if using Wi-Fi, or use a 3.5 cable for wired audio. Plug on headphones now so you can monitor without creating a feedback loop while you continue. Next, route audio. Open the virtual audio driver and select your source, smartphone app output, TTS engine, or a media player. Then go into the voice chat app's audio settings and choose the virtual cable as the microphone device. Once done, set sample rate to 44.1 or 48 kHz, lower buffer size for less latency, and grant microphone permissions to the chat app. Make small test recordings and tweak volume levels so your voice is clear, but not clipping or too quiet. Finish by running a proper test call with a friend or the app's loopback test. Use push-to-talk or mute when not speaking so background audio from your phone or TTS doesn't leak. Make sure noise suppression and echo cancellation are enabled in the chat app, and adjust gain so speech remains natural. If something goes wrong, first confirm the virtual cable is selected, restart the audio services, and check firewall or USB/wireless connections. That single check fixes most connection and device mismatch problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.